All right, so I have my master trace right here. And again, I have everything marked off. I also wanted to mark that this is the front, because the front, it's important to have the front and the back separated, because what we're doing is we're going to be putting graphite on the back to make a graphite transfer. The graphite transfer is then going to take our design and we're going to transfer it onto the heavier cardstock vinyl paper. So the first thing I need to do is label the front as the front. Then I have my cover sheet down. I'm going to flip this over and I'm going to use one of these. This is a graphite stick. The graphite stick is just basically pencil graphite. And I'm going to cover the back anywhere I have design. It does not need to be super dark, okay? Just needs to be covered with the graphite right to the edge. So if you don't have a graphite stick, obviously you can use a pencil. Just takes a little bit more time. Now, I'm going to take a tissue, I'm going to crumple it up, and I'm going to just soften every area of graphite. You notice that I can still see my design through it. It's important. All right. Okay, now, excess graphite, just filter off onto my scrap paper, and I'm going to move my scrap paper out of the way. I'm going to take my final paper, and this is the front. I'm going to line this up with the tracing and those marks right there all aligned, and then paper clip it down. And now I'm just going to, same thing I did before with the trace and transfer, I'm just going to draw right on top of my design, again with a little bit of pressure to transfer the information over. You can see it's transferring the information onto it. I'm going to finish that so that my entire design has that ghosted image all the way around. When I get to the straight edges, I'm going to use a straight edge to do all of those designs so that it's nice and neat and clean when I have to go back over it with the Sharpie. And now I have my finished design transferred onto my final paper. Now I'm just going to go back in, use the straight edge and the Sharpie, and retrace and transfer all the lines.